So in this lecture, we will continue to examine the specific article that comes from this content brief. So you will realize that in a macro context, we have different represented question variation are being used by this specific one. That means in this specific part, we just give our the main answer, and here we expand this answer further and we variated it in a summative way, and then we connect back it to the water percentage, or you can say the body factors and the function for it. Then we ask for the different demographic questions like adults, boys, girls, and then we give the models and athletes. After that, we ask about the teens. Why were teens put at this specific place? Because we did not delete the answer of these specific important attributes, models and athletes. Because we already talk about some demographic relevant content, so it did not, by changing it did not create a very huge difference in the relevance. So that's why also we cover these at this specific place. Now here we sometimes also give in our article conditions like if not exercising and if exercising. And then here we go for the extra context like older adults, and then we give the questions about boys, and because boys are grow up we gives the ages, and this section is also connected with this specific place, the age, different health conditions and the lifestyle also, and exercise one more time it also connected at this specific place. So the main point here, nothing is random, we give everything in a proper order. So if you see this specific part, we give the main three organization and the three experts. They do the same, mention the World Health Organization, the US and Food Drug Administration, and the dictation Kim Chin, this is expert name, Dr. Kotani, this is also the expert name. Now for example, if you see this specific section, we directly ask the preceding question. That means we put this specific question as it is, and then we give the mention the resource, expert name, American Academy of Pediatrics, and we give the visual communication with the search engine covering different ages, and here the expert name Dr. Jenny. If you look at this last question, it is also the same, we put this specific thing and we mention the resource, main signs, side effects, and you can see the anchor text like drink too much water is matched with also our question. And if we see this specific article, we can also see that in the title drink too much water is matched. So that's how we create the internal links. So my main point here is that nothing is definitely random. As you realize, we have unique images, numerical values, resources, experts, and the proper context of everything, and the sentences structure that we are using, the modalities, and everything has been connected to each other across different web pages. So in the next lecture, we will look at this specific article together with their content brief. See you in the next lecture.